From a born, I never commit a crime. I have never been to a police station. I have never been to jail.
And yet, Orlando Grieve found himself wanted for murder.
Can you imagine the level of trauma this man went through? But before I continue, ensure that you're liking, commenting, sharing, and following. Knowing how JCF likes to operate in Jamaica, may I tell you, this man go through it. I hope JCF understands that they need to give this man a public apology. Just as how you came out and publicly put out this man's information, you need to come out and give this man a public apology. Even though this apology may not fix anything, because this man's reputation now have been tarnished. Someone in some parts of Jamaica will never forget this man is wanted for murder, even after the fact. So, brother, I pray and hope that you and your lawyer sue JCF and all the powers that be. And I hope you get one nice change because you deserve it. That's just my thoughts. What are yours?